Hi, good morning, friends. I'm Kumar here from Green Traders. So today, as I told you, in the weekends I will be uploading the video on possible breakouts and breakdown stocks for the week. That is for the coming week. So let's check out. Have shortlisted few stocks which have high probability of breaking down or breakouts. Okay, so this is the first stock. As you can see in the screen, this is the Axis Bank. So here you can see as Axis Bank is trading in the range. So if in this week or by tomorrow, if the banking stocks are strong and the market is up, you can buy Axis Bank after this stock breaks this trend line. Okay, and the similar way on the other side also, if it breaks down, you can sell the stocks up to this horizontal line. Okay, and the next stock is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, as you see, the last week, in uh, the last few days, in the end of the week, it has a nice bull run. So I hope this stock may continue the bull run for the next week also. But before that, keep in the mind the direction of the market also. No, don't just buy the stock. So if it's trade Bajaj, if it start trading above this trend line, so you can wait for few candles to form and get some price action confirmation, then go for a buy. Okay, and if the market is sort of negative, you can short Bajaj Finserv below this range. Okay, below this range till the target for till this horizontal line. Okay, the next stock is Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, as you can see, it started trading in sort of a range in the last couple of trading sessions. So for the coming week, if Bajaj Finance, for this I've given the levels like 3026. If it starts trading above that, you can buy Bajaj Auto for target of up to 3050. Okay, for another 25 points. And the same way, if Bajaj Finance breaks this trend line, you can sell Bajaj Auto below this, that is 2993. Okay, for the target of 2960 or 2900 up to. Okay, and the next stock is Cipla. Cipla, the pharmaceutical stocks are always in the news since this corona. So let's see if Cipla continues bull run in this coming week also. So as you can see, it is trading out of this trend line, and there is a sort of a flag pattern formed. So on the coming week or from Monday, if Cipla starts trading above 737, you can buy Cipla up to 750, and if it's breakdowns below 725, you can sell Cipla for the target of 720 and 780. And the next stock is Coal India. Coal India, the I've written here buy above the blue line according to the bullish inverted hammer in the day chart. So according to the day chart, actually the stock is in the downtrend, and if in this coming week, if Coal India starts trading above 131, you can buy Coal India for a target of 135 up to 140. Okay, and the similar way, if the market is negative and Coal India breaks below this channel, the yellow color channel which I have drawn here, you can sell Coal India for up to a target of 120. So you can sell Coal India below this that is 129. Below 129, you can sell Coal India for up to a target of 125 to 120. Okay, so keep in mind this, the stock is in the downtrend. So and the next stock is Dabur. Dabur, as you can see, it is also in the uptrend, the stock. So tomorrow on the coming week, from Monday, if the Dabur starts trading above this line 513, so it can come up to 520, 525 target on the buy side. And the similarly, if Dabur starts breaking this trend line and starts trading below 506, yeah, 505 or 506, we have a target up to 500, or yeah, 5 up to 500. And the next stock is Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy, it's already broken the day trend line. Need to watch out if it starts trading below this 4,580 in the coming week. Then we can expect a more downwards for Dr. Reddy to up to target of 4,575 to 4,565. Or in case if in the coming week from Monday, if this starts reversing from this and enters this trend line again, then you can buy the Dr. Reddy, okay, up to this channel end, okay. That is, hope so they buy above 4,625 up to the target of 4,665, okay. And Havels also has a nice uptrend. The stock is in the uptrend, so tomorrow or in the coming week, if Dabur starts trading above 620, sorry, Havels starts trading above 620, you can expect in the coming weeks the stock may reach up to 630, 640. And the similar way, if the market is negative, bearish, and if this Havels breaks this trend line, you can short Havels for a target of up to 606. You can sell from 6, you can sell hours from 600 up to a target of 606. And HCL Tech, as you can see, there is an the stock is in uptrend, and there is a flag type of pattern formed in the resistance. So in the coming week, if market is positive and if it starts trading above this 708 level, you can buy HCL Tech, okay. And similarly, if this breaks this flag pattern or this channel down, you can sell HCL Tech. HDFC Bank. So banks in the coming weeks, if it the news is positive, and I am also a bit of bullish on banking sectors in this week. Let's see this all we get a confirmation the Monday. So Monday, if the market is bullish, then you can buy HDFC after it starts trading above this range, okay. And in the similar way, if when this HDFC Bank breaks this range, you can sell HDFC. And Hero Motor Corp, as you can see, it's formed a triangle pattern with this trend line, supporting this trend line. So it's also the stock is in the uptrend. So tomorrow, if Monday, if the market is bullish, you can buy Hero Motor Corp company for by about 2720 for up to 100 points target on the upper side, and similarly in the downside, sell below 2690 up to a target of 2640 or 2620, okay. And next stock is Hindalco. Similarly, the stock is in the uptrend, and tomorrow in the coming weeks, if it starts breaking this trend line, you can sell, okay. And similarly, if this level breaks on the upper side, you can buy Hindalco. ICICI Bank is also trading in the range, and it has formed a triangle pattern. So if it starts trading out of this triangle in the coming weeks, you can buy ICICI Bank around 360, about 360 for a target of about 370. 370, 375. And similarly, if it starts breaking this triangle pattern and this channel, I can sell ICICI Bank below 356, okay, up to a target of 340, 350, 330, okay. So I think this is the final stock. This is the IndusInd Bank. As you can see, it's in sort of an accumulation stage. So, and there is an moving average on this. If it starts breaking this moving average, starts trading above this channel, you can buy IndusInd Bank. A similar way, if this channel breaks down, you can sell IndusInd Bank, okay. So in this, okay, there's one more stock. This is Bal Krishna Industries. So similarly, tomorrow this ended up in a bullish infigal pattern, And in coming weeks, if this stock starts trading above 1365, you have a target up to 1375 short term. Okay, that's it, guys. These are the stocks which I have shortlisted and which has an high probability of break up or breakdown in the coming weeks. So friends out there who want to predict breakouts, or who want to know how to select stocks which have an high probability breakouts, they can join my price action scalping strategy course, the paid courses which I conduct every weekends. Okay, and who want to just watch my free calls and my uh, strategy screenshots, they can join my free telegram channel also. So, and to watch more and more such strategical videos, and in coming days I will be uploading my live trade also. Okay, to watch all those you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day, a great weekend, and hopefully the coming weeks would be profitable, and I hope so this video will be helpful for you guys. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.